Hello everyone, I am Sangeeta, working as assistant professor in Dr. S.N.S. Radhalakshmi College of Arts and Science in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. We are going to start learning one of the most existing fields of artificial intelligence called machine learning. Before understanding machine learning, let us think about how humans learn. We learn from our experience, observations, mistake, and practice. Similarly, computer can also learn from data instead of following only fixed instructions written by programmers. Prediction Machine learning enables computer to identify patterns in data, make predictions, and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed for every task. In today's session, we will understand the concept of machine learning, why it is needed, how it is work, its applications in our daily lives. The defined stage focuses on understanding the problem clearly before finding a solution. In this topic, we define what machine learning is and why it is important. By the end of the session, you should be able to explain the concept of machine learning, understand how machine learning learn from data, identify the importance of machine learning in today's technology, differentiate machine learning from traditional programming. These objectives will help us build a strong foundations before learning a machine learning algorithm. Traditionally, computers perform tasks based on instructions written by programmers. For example, if we want a computer to calculate marks, we write the right and exact rules and formulas. However, some problems are too complex to solve using fixed rules. Machine learning provides different approaches. Instead of writing every rule, we provide the computer with data. The machine studies the data, finds hidden patterns, and learns how to make predictions automatically. For example, Gmail can identify spam emails because it has learned from millions of previously classified emails. Today, enormous amounts of data are generated every second through smartphones, websites, online shoppings, hospitals, banks, and social media. Machine learning follows a step-by-step process. First, we collect data from different sources. Next, the data is cleaned by removing missing or incorrect values. Then, a machine learning algorithm is trained using this prepared data. The algorithm learns patterns and relationship from the data and build a model. Finally, the model is tested using new data to evaluate its accuracy. If the performance is satisfactory, the model is deployed to make predictions in real world applications. Now let's compare traditional programming and machine learning. In traditional programming, we provide the data and rules. In computer producer the output. In machine learning, we provide the data and expected outputs during training. The machine automatically learns the rule. For example, handwriting recognition would require thousands of rules using traditional programming. With machine learning, we simply provide many handwriting samples, and the computer learns the recognizing written different writing style automatically. This make machine learning much more flexible. Every machine learning systems consist of several important components. The first component is data, which is foundation of machine learning. The second is feature, which describes the characters of the data. Next comes the algorithm, which learns patterns from the data. The algorithms creates a model which is used for prediction. Finally, we evaluate the model using measures such as accuracy to ensure that it performs correctly. Humans often learn through experience and by making mistakes. Machine learning models also improve through repeated learnings. Machine learning is widely used in many industry areas today. Some common applications includes healthcare for disease predictions, banking for fraud detections. The mind map summarizes everything we have learned today. Machine learning begins with collecting data. The data is processed and used to train algorithm. This algorithm build models that makes predictions or decisions. Trained models are applied in banking, healthcare, education, transportations, agriculture, and many other industries. Thank